Y91 comes with a 6.22-inch Helio full-view display screen. Choose from two colors, Starry Black, Ocean Blue. The phone is made available with 2 GB RAM plus 32 GB internal memory, expandable up to 256 GB. Both SIM slots support 4G capability. The 6.22-inch HD Plus notch display provides a seamless entertainment experience. Unlock the phone using the fingerprint sensor placed at the back or using face access. The AI-powered 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual rear camera enables you to capture great shots with clarity. The 8-megapixel AI selfie camera allows you to take perfect selfies. The phone runs on Android Oreo-based FunTouch OS. The Y91 1816 is powered by Helio P22 octa-core processor. This phone is powered by a 4030 mAh battery. The box includes handset, earphone, user manual, micro USB to USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector pin, and protective case. Check the product page for details on EMI options and exchange. For further information on the product, warranty, payment, and delivery options and other offers.